Yo, 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 yo. What you mean? This guy with the 8 minutes long starting. Listen. Sometimes you need 8 minutes. No? What can you do? Yeah, sure. Bruh. Bruh. Please. Please. How is it going? How is it going? What's happening? What's happening by this world? What's on here? Steam. Just working on my game. You're making a game. Is it on Steam? Is it on PlayStation? I've only been on it for maybe a month. Released to all consoles plus VR plus mobile. Holy fuck. That's what I like to hear. You're gonna remember me when you become a millionaire, right? Be like, yeah, I knew that guy. I knew that guy. Never forget me. Good. Good. So what is the bar? If you want, you can send me. Ah, shit, it's hot. You can send me screenshots if you want. We'll have a look. It's not screenshot already. Why is streamer boss so shit lately? Is there a different version? I don't know about. Hmm. Game. It's a game kind of like Backpack Battles if you played that before. Nice. That means you're going to have offline battles, right? Greetings, brother. What's the good word of the day? Peanuts. I'm deciding if I want to do async multiplayer or if I want to just do PV. I don't think you have to do async multiplayer. You can just do... You can do fake multiplayer. Where you just battle people's offline characters. That's async multiplayer. Is that what that is? Is that what offline multiplayer means? Async multiplayer? I always thought like async means like syncing the multiplayer. Or am I? Because all you're doing is just playing against a made-up character that doesn't exist. Oh, you haven't been here a while, have you? See what happens when you miss out? See? This is what happens. Hey, what's this guy doing? Huh? What are you doing, bro? There's nothing for you. Where did you bring that from? He's just bringing stuff that doesn't exist. See, I watch it sometimes, I swear. There's a bunch of stuff. You want to see a late end game? How it looks like late end game? You want to see? Okay. Are you ready? You have 3 different types of roads. They all make speed faster. You have trees now. You have enhanced farm tiles. You have foresters, you have miners. You have decorations. You have signs. You can put down signs. When are you going to give Mr. Farmway a horse ride? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure people will ask for it. I mean, the envoys have horses, you know? So probably people will ask for horses. Bam, bam, bam. You have different tiers of crops now. Silver, gold. So, yeah. You have upkeep, you have to pay them. You have to pay your workers. And yeah, that's the game. Just needs polish. Oh yeah, the map is 4 times the size. I feel like that's the one of the most important bits. Wow, no longer buying people actual salaries. That's crazy. I know, right? People have salaries now, which means you can't go into debt. You can actually go into debt now. So you have to be careful to not go into debt. Oh yeah, I forgot. I feel like this is also gonna be a big one. You can now move buildings. There you go. So yeah, that's the thing. There you go. The markets actually look like market now. Looks like they look like markets now. Yeah. It's telling me to assign this to a market. but he hasn't given it to me. I have the normal version. Looking good, thank you. Just needs polish. We still have issues with AI and stuff. Like, how do you make them a bit more responsive but not destroy performance and things like that? The smarter they are, the more issues you're gonna have. But also, if they're not smart enough, then you're also gonna have issues. It's a fine balance. Which I haven't been able to solve. Okay, I think we have to go back to our play save file, because we have to sort out the logistics. Like this. So I have to check. I need to make sure if it's not 0, I don't add it. Does the return break the... Does return break the whole thing? It might break the whole thing. I'll just do this instead. Return list, yeah. You're right. You use continue. So why is more performant? This or what looks better? Are you saying this does what I needed to do? Let's see. Let's see. No, I'm not even sure myself. Let's see. Microscopic. Well, every microscope counts. So what is my... What is my bro doing? So let me add some wheat. What's gonna happen? It's gonna come out. Whoops. Hasn't been assigned to any market. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to cut off this. I want to add it here. Oh my god, he's going around. No, come back. Come back, you stupid. No. No. He's literally gonna go like this. Meow, 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 meow. Boom. Fucked up. I fucked up. That was a bad test. Okay, let's put you back in. Because all the roads are connected. You don't understand, bruh. All the roads are connected, bruh. Watch, he's gonna come. It's gonna take him a while, but he's gonna come. Let me... do it here. Wait, is he coming? Yeah, he is. Look. Damn, that's dedication. That is el dedication. That's what we call dedication. What now, bitch? What now? Can't reach what? Can't reach what? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What is bro talking about? Where's the code? Is it this? Target market. Can't reach the market. There we go. Although it's not gonna work because I need to reset him. There you go. We also need to test against the house. Can't reach warehouse. Cool. But see, all these little things I have to account for, they all mess with me. Also, Talma players is still an issue. I would say our biggest performance issue right now is wet tiles. These. Having to wet the tiles because it's a tile set. I would say that's our biggest performance issue right now. Is because it's not just me doing it, it's also the farmers doing it. It's fine if you're doing it, just like I'm doing it now. It's me, the player, doing it. It's one action every other frame. But when you have 50 farmers doing it, that's where the problem arises. Why don't you show? But yeah. Is bro ever resting? Is bro ever resting, or what's going on? How much more are you working, bro? Do you ever go to... Do you ever not work? Oh no. Oh no. He always works. He's a workaholic. He's a workaholic like me. Actually, let me just put it here. Hasn't been assigned to any warehouse. Well, the problem with that logic is there. That's one time. That is one time. How come I cannot? Why is this being so weird? Why sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't? Why? It's almost like something else is interfering with it. See? What the fuck? I wonder if it's because of this. Because they are stacking on top of each other. What is bro doing? Something is not working quite right. Can't reach house. There we go. So now he wants to go rest. Something is still not working quite right. Like these IDs. No, that is correct. What isn't correct is this. No, that also is correct. What? No, wait. No, this is not correct. So this should not be. See, when I add it, cannot be 0. So that is the problem. So if it's 0, we're not adding it. It needs to be more. If I can find it. Ah, you see the problem? So I'm doing it here. So might as well just do it here then. If so I do the same thing, right? Continue. Oh no, it needs a loop. I've added tomatoes, right? But the tomatoes are not added. They're not added unless I actually add tomatoes. Let's use another. And these are not added at all. Good. These are added, but who cares about those? So why is this still 0? Why is this still here? This should be It shouldn't be here anymore. Number 3 is wheat. Number 3 is wheat. So ideally, it should, like right here. Ah, but it's doing this stupid thing. Why is it null? It's only being called if it's null. It should fix itself. It should fix itself. Once it gets to the wheat, it should fix itself. Like this, number 3 should disappear. But it doesn't. It doesn't because it didn't do it correctly the first time. So let me just get some wheat myself. And now it should fix itself. Even with the eggs, it should fix itself. How do I have potato? There's one left. See, it fixed itself. There you go. But how do I have potatoes though? How did I get potatoes? I can make potatoes. So how did I unlock potatoes? So what's with the potato? Any ideas? Any potato conspiracies? The heck is that? Great potato. There you go. Hello. Frontix, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? Okay, no more distractions. I think they work alright. Any more issues I can see? Farm Boy is always looking better each time. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's getting harder to playtest because the game gets longer and longer. So it's harder to like put in like a full playthrough because it takes like 8 hours. Which is a lot to go through. There is ways to speed up, but wait, isn't there a way to actually speed up? Hold on. Didn't they add something about speeding up? Or is that in the new version? That might be in the next update. Or was that a different engine maybe? Maybe I'm misremembering. Or was it this engine, but you had to do it from... Maybe not. I don't. Where? What did we see? Where you can speed up the game. Or slow down the game. Was that a different engine maybe? I don't remember seeing anything like that. I remember seeing, but I don't remember if it was Godot or something else. That's why I don't remember. There are still some annoying issues you have to deal with. Like the way the new interaction works. You can interact from wherever as long as you have the building selected. So I can interact from here. It's gonna open the chicken. Ooh. So there are still some issues where you're like clicking to open crafting, or you're clicking to do something in crafting, and then this gets fucked with. Wasn't there Irad told me something? There's something you can enable where it doesn't do that. There you go. Strawberry. I actually don't want eggs, I want these. Sell these there. What else do I have to sell there? Strawberries. Strawberries. I don't know how I've unlocked potato though. I don't have carrier. I don't do anything silly here, do I? Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I do. So right now the silly thing I do is I have this item request, and if you hover over it to see what is missing, it's been added to your inventory as a 0 item, so you can assign regardless if you have it or not. So I think that's how that happened, but I don't know how did we get a potato. How did we get to the potato? Shoot. We need more housing. You know, I have so much money, I could just buy things. Such as the silver. I'm gonna cheat a bit. Buy the chickens. Buy the resources. Nobody's gonna know. Hasn't been assigned to any market. But oh, that's a strawberry. Can make another market right here. And this is pretty much working now. Full-fledged farm. Although I should probably refactor the farmer again. Because I'm doing a bit of a silly thing with the farmer. Silly thing. I think now they are working as intended. So let me get another house. Have 2 more. You know what I didn't realize is like this actually will push you to build stuff. Because look, I'm making cucumber, right? But I don't have space for cucumber. You don't have space for cucumber, right? So what's gonna happen? A gatherer is gonna pick it up, and then it's gonna be like, shit. It tells me to... It needs a warehouse. So that will incentivize you to build a warehouse. It's almost like the workers will guide you. Now the question is, why do I have the potato? I feel like that's a big question we need to ask. What's with the potato? Came out of nowhere. And also this, they have everything, which is not good. It should only be the stuff you have. See? The cucumber hasn't been assigned to anything. So I'm gonna assign it. Is it possible that I clicked something like this? And then now that shows in here? Yep. That might be possible. So how do we fix that? Get crops and chickens. And there lies the problem. I had to pass, right? First I need to check if inventory has the item. And is equal or higher than 1. So now it's only gonna show me that's still not good enough. Maybe I just do has. Yeah, that works. Has works. Because I still want you to be able to assign. Even if it's 0. What happened? Why are they crying? Holy fuck. Is this a bit excessive? 10 wood. But maybe that's gonna incentivize you to start getting foresters going. Let's do the villagers first. Before I move to farmers. The only thing I need to fix with the villagers is this. Is this stuff. I also kind of want to get rid of the number. I don't think we need a number. Forester. Hey, Ginger. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's clean them up a bit. State. And state. Well, match state. State. Target. Target bridge. Oh wait, I do need this. Yeah, delete all the commented out code. It doesn't hurt anybody. It's not hurting anyone. You know? I do need to close these. What the fuck? What's happening? Well, everything broke. Which is to be expected. Son of a bitch. Be around now. So I need some of them to come this way. Where's my farmers? Where's my people? Huh? He has been assigned. He has been assigned. What do you mean he hasn't been assigned? What are you talking about? Oh, I know what's going on. Well, that doesn't work. I guess I have to use these. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. How do I fix that? Always a pain. There we go. We do still have an issue with the warehouse. Because this needs to work. Well, I'm doing it here, so perhaps that will fix it. So what's the plan today, guys? Talk to me. How's the B game going? I think maybe with your big game, maybe you ditch the wait, I'm not even sure if you're still here. Nah, he's gone. He's gone. Now with Comet Tycoon, I think you should just ditch all the comets. Yeah. Ditch all the comets. That's my new feedback. Ditch all of them. Say bye-bye. What do you mean? Sorry. I was trying to make a joke. But guess it didn't go anywhere. Well, I'm the joke more. How's that going? Is the did you nail the progression yet? Did you nail the way this look different? Did you nail the workers? Are they good now? Are they behaving? Bro. Bro. Your page looks sick. Wow, you think you're like Rimworld and Factorio and Oxygen? Wow. Wow, that's what you're comparing game to? Yeah, sure, you can have the link. How did this end up in here? Idle boss rush. It's nothing like this. Could I do a game like Rimworld? No. I could. I could, just not as this. I think my biggest fuck up would probably be again is going back to the issue of zones. What is considered a house? What is considered a warehouse? Do you assign zones manually? Because I'm wondering, maybe the way Rimworld does it is it doesn't like auto determine what's a house. You have to assign this space as a house. So that's how that works. Okay. Cool. I would have never thought that where I would go in my game dev would be in this colony sim kind of. I would have never thought that would go in this direction. Because I always thought it was like, oh, this is super hard. Like, how the fuck are you supposed to do it? And it is hard, but it's not as hard as I thought. Because once you set the rules, you just have to polish them. And they will slowly form into something. And then you just tweak it, and then you tweak it a bit more, and then you make it more complex, slowly. And then 2 years pass, and then you forget where you ticked something, and then it's gonna take you 2 months to resolve what you forgot. See, I'm thinking ahead. I do notice some games abuse tags. Yeah. I think that right now the recommendation is to not even use the indie tag, because the indie tag will bury your game. Like, don't even tag your game as an indie game. Don't even mention indie, because you're gonna get buried by other indies. because the indie market is so saturated. You know it's an indie. The people that matter knows it's an indie. The customer on Steam doesn't care if it's an indie. Just cares if it's a good game. But you want those customers to be able to reach your game. And if they don't see your game because it's buried by other games. Hello. Yodi boy ho. Damn, calling me out, what the fuck. Yeah, I've been definitely hoeing for the past year, you know? Just hoeing along. Wait, let me just... So much. Look. Good though? Yeah. How's it going, Fear? Sometimes I'm like, should I even be saying stuff like this? Like giving you that sort of feedback? Am I preaching too much? I don't know. I have no clue. Sometimes I do worry. It's like I'm telling you something, and then you're like, why is this guy telling me how to run my Steam store? Fuck that guy. I don't think so. Everyone decides whether they agree or disagree. Hit advance. Yeah. Let me see. Where does my game stay? Infinity Nikki? What? A farmer replaced. Little witch in the woods. Story of Seasons. Dave the Diver. Yeah, that's exactly like my game. Military incremental complex. Starbirds. Dinkum. I tried to get a sponsor from this, they never got back to me. It's one solo dev, is doing very well. Stardew, Story, Fields of Mistria. Bloom Island, Tiny Pasture, Orly Fields. That looks cool. Plan B. Your Big Cute Monster Farm. Sheep Inn. Rusty Retirement. Shapes. Okay, okay. We cannot escape this, can we? Idle Boss Rush. We cannot escape this game. Should we report this game? Should we report it? What are you doing here? Farm Together 2. Palia. Wow. My game is like Palia. Tales of the Shire. Roots of Pacha. Story of Seasons again. Is this DLC? No. Okay. The Wandering Village. Okay. Keep on Mining. Tales of Seiko. Actually, mines are pretty decent. The real trick is to be more like this on their page. Yes. Yes. So... how do you get there? The issue with that is your game has to be pretty popular to make it on here. My game will never make it in here. But you never know. Maybe someday the algor decides, is it time to push it? It may also be something to do with like the way you push your updates and stuff like that. Like if you do a visibility round, and when you do a visibility round, it pushes to everyone. You only have a couple of those a year. You only have like 4 a year. I haven't used mine yet. I should probably use them. No luck. Come on, the little witch. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Wow. House of Shire. Come on. Be kind. Bruh. Bruh. It's not working, guys. It's not working. Wait, what? Oh, you can do this as well? We haven't checked Stardew Valley. Let's see. I must be in there, right? I mean, it's direct game. Fuck. Fuck. I mean, are you calling? Yes, it is cozy. Probably not anymore. We'll see how people feel. We'll see how people feel. That's all I gotta say. I'm a bit worried about that. Does the game still feel cozy or not? I still try to keep it cozy, like in doing things like you can go into debt and your workers don't stop working. And stuff like that. Like, I'm not punishing you for not having money. I think that was a big issue, especially at the beginning. But now you do have upkeep. So is paying your workers cozy enough? I don't know. Should you have to pay your workers in a cozy game? I don't know. Shouldn't the workers just work for you because they like working? I don't know. So many questions. So many questions, not enough answers. So we do have to remake this whole thing. Great. Because I want to get rid of this. This was a bad idea. This picks like 10 crops to grow a plant. But I think I made it a bit too complex that it needs to. So I think we're gonna come in here and refactor everything. And I'm gonna do the same method as the gatherer. So you come here. We're gonna copy the state machine. Frankly, the state machine is almost becoming like I could just move it away from the workers. Plant. It doesn't have a lot to do. It just has to work on task. my god, for a second I thought I goofed. Let's clean this up.